Good evening, we are Tuesday, 18th of December 2018. Here is a quick market update on the Brexit deadlock. In the UK, traders' nerves have been all about the deepening political and constitutional crisis that Brexit is turning into. Last week's developments included the abandonment of a planned vote on the withdrawal treaty from the EU, a failed vote of no confidence in the Prime Minister, and growing momentum for a second referendum, which could ultimately see the abandonment of Brexit altogether. This week, another attempted vote of no confidence in Theresa May from Labour leader Jeremy Corbyn failed to even get off the ground, as the Prime Minister challenged opposite number to launch a full-blown vote of no confidence in the government. Now, in more normal times, this series of events would be seen as a major political crisis. But we have become so inured to bad news on that Brexit front that in the UK, no one seems particularly surprised at the latest chaotic turns of events. Despite calls from MPs to allow them to vote on the withdrawal deal before Christmas, Mrs May said yesterday that the vote will not take place before the 14th of January. She is determined to return to Europe to seek further assurances on the backstop insurance policy that's designed to prevent a hard Irish border, and which is the biggest sticking point in the unraveling Brexit story. There is, however, no evidence that she will be any more successful over the holiday period than she has been thus far. As usual, the brunt of the political chaos is being borne by the pound, which is trading close to a 20-month low at $1.26. But the stock market is also suffering from dwindling risk appetite among traders. The FTSE 100 at close to 6,740 is down more than 1,000 points from its high in May of just over 7,900. While that might sound like a gloomy way to end the year, the silver lining of the UK's unloved status is that it has not looked so attractive to contrarian investors in a long time. With the FTSE 100 yielding almost 4.5% and blue chip shares costing only 11 times expected earnings on average, the UK's blue chip index is offering an interesting entry point for any investor who can look through the current Brexit uncertainty. Well, that's all on this short topic. Speak to you soon. Goodbye.